Imagine a vast shadow sweeping across the landscape, not a nimble fighter jet, but a behemoth built for overwhelming firepower, the B-1B Lancer, or the Bone. Its silhouette is unmistakable, a harbinger of power and speed, gliding just above the Earth with a presence that commands attention. 4 General Electric F-101 engines ignite in a synchronized roar, hurling the 90-ton airframe forward with a force that shakes the ground. The Bone's engines are not just powerful, they're the heartbeats of a machine designed to dominate the skies. Its variable sweep wings tuck back, transforming it from a broad-winged bomber into a supersonic dart, ready to slice through the air at incredible speeds. This unique design allows the B-1B to adapt to any mission, from low-level penetration to high-speed dashes. Born in the Cold War, the B-1B was written off as obsolete, a relic of a bygone era, but it refused to fade away, defying expectations and outlasting many of its contemporaries. Cancelled, resurrected and nearly retired, the Bone clawed back with upgrades and a new mission. Engineers and crews worked tirelessly, breathing new life into the old airframe, transforming it for modern warfare. Today it's not just flying, it's thriving, a symbol of resilience and American airpower. The Bone stands as a testament to innovation and the will to adapt. When a B-1B thunders down a runway from Norway to Guam, it sends a clear message. This is no ordinary aircraft. Its presence is felt across continents, projecting strength wherever it goes. Its intercontinental range and massive payload make it a uniquely potent tool, capable of striking targets anywhere on the globe. The Bone can carry more ordnance than any other bomber in the U.S. inventory. The roar of its engines is the sound of deterrence, a promise of swift, decisive action. It's a warning to adversaries and a reassurance to allies. The B-1B has shed its old skin, now a multi-mission platform launching advanced weaponry. It can deliver precision strikes, support ground troops, and adapt to the demands of modern conflict. Its story is about adaptation, how an old warrior learned new tricks to become one of the most dangerous aircraft in the sky. The Bone's journey is a lesson in survival and reinvention. The Bone stands ready for a new era of great power competition, prepared to meet the challenges of the 21st century. Its thunderous presence is a testament to evolution and enduring relevance, a living legend that continues to shape the future of airpower. The B-1B's story began in the tense days of the Cold War, when the world's superpowers were locked in a high-stakes arms race and the threat of nuclear conflict loomed large. The U.S. Air Force needed a new bomber, one that could outpace and outmaneuver Soviet defenses. The B-1A was designed to replace the aging B-52, offering high speed, low radar visibility, and the ability to deliver nuclear weapons deep into enemy territory. But in 1977, the B-1A program was abruptly cancelled, a victim of shifting political winds and budget concerns. Yet, the need for a modern bomber never faded. Under President Reagan, the project was reborn as the B-1B, now optimized for low-level penetration and survivability. With its advanced terrain-following radar, the B-1B could fly fast and low, hugging the Earth to evade enemy radar and slip under hostile defenses, an impressive feat for such a large aircraft. By 1988, 100 B-1B Lancers stood on constant alert, ready to deliver a devastating nuclear response at a moment's notice, embodying America's commitment to deterrence. But as the Cold War ended, the world changed. The B-1B's nuclear mission faded, and it was retasked for conventional warfare, adapting to new threats and new roles. Its combat debut came in the late 90s, but it was in Afghanistan and Iraq where the B-1B truly proved its value, delivering precision strikes in support of ground forces. Capable of flying marathon missions, the B-1B loitered above the battlefield for hours, ready to unleash precision-guided munitions exactly when and where they were needed. For troops on the ground, the B-1B became a symbol of overwhelming firepower and reliable support, often turning the tide in critical moments. The Bone, as it's affectionately known, transformed from a Cold War specter into a battle-hardened workhorse, earning a reputation for toughness and versatility. Its adaptability and payload capacity made it indispensable in the global war on terror, supporting coalition forces across multiple theaters of operation. The B-1B's evolution from nuclear bomber to conventional strike platform proved its worth far beyond its original mission, showcasing the power of innovation and adaptability. Today, it stands as the go-to strike platform for a new era of conflict, a testament to its enduring legacy and unmatched capabilities. Despite its combat record, the B-1B faced tough times in the 2010s. Years of relentless deployments wore down the fleet, with mission-capable rates plummeting. Aging airframes, obsolete avionics, and scarce spare parts made maintenance a nightmare. The Air Force's focus shifted to the next-gen B-21, leaving the B-1B struggling for resources. The Bone was seen as a hangar queen, expensive to maintain, yet too valuable to retire. In 2021, 17 of the most worn-out airframes were retired, consolidating the fleet. This painful step allowed resources to focus on the healthiest bombers. The gamble, fewer aircraft, but higher readiness and lethality. It was a turning point, setting the stage for the Bone's remarkable comeback. The B-1B was pulled back from the brink, ready for a new chapter. Consolidation sparked a renaissance for the B-1B. The Air Force launched a sweeping upgrade, the Integrated Battle Station, or IBS. Out went the old analog dials, in came full-color digital displays and a glass cockpit. Crews gained vastly improved situational awareness and reduced workload. A new data link networked the B-1B with other assets, transforming it into a connected node in modern warfare. The payload bay was adapted for smart weapons like the JASSM and JASSM-ER, enabling long-range precision strikes. These upgrades revitalized the fleet, improving readiness, effectiveness, and survivability. The Bone evolved from a Cold War relic into a precision strike platform for today's threats. Smart modernization proved an old airframe could learn powerful new tricks. The B-1B emerged as a digital powerhouse, ready for the future. The B-1B's defining trait, speed. 4 afterburning engines propel it to Mach 1.25, over 1,300 km/h, while carrying a massive payload. Supersonic dash lets it respond to crises worldwide in hours, repositioning for surprise attacks. Speed reduces exposure to threats, allowing the Bone to outrun older fighters and evade missile systems. Its variable sweep wings provide both lift for takeoff and sleek efficiency at high speed. This aerodynamic flexibility makes the B-1B uniquely versatile. In modern conflicts, it can launch standoff missiles and rapidly egress, making it a difficult target. The Bone's speed remains a vital asset, just as relevant now as during the Cold War. It strikes fast, hard, and disappears before the enemy can react. The B-1B's cavernous payload bay is its secret weapon. With 3 internal bays, it carries up to 34,000 kilon of ordnance, more than any other U.S. bomber. This capacity enables the arsenal ship concept, a flying magazine unleashing massive firepower. In the Pacific, the Bone can carry up to 24 JASSM-ER missiles internally, holding countless targets at risk. Recent modifications allow external hardpoints, potentially boosting its loadout to 40 missiles. The B-1B is also being certified for new munitions, including the LRASM for maritime strike. A single Bone could neutralize an entire enemy surface group. The future: hypersonic weapons, making the B-1B a launchpad for nearly unstoppable strikes. This evolution ensures the Bone's continued relevance as a multi-domain arsenal ship. The B-1B is no longer just a bomber, it's a force multiplier for the modern battlefield. The B-1B's resurgence is on display in high-profile global missions, where its unmistakable silhouette signals American resolve and technological prowess. Bomber task force deployments send Lancers to Norway, Japan, and Australia, reassuring allies, deterring adversaries, and strengthening vital partnerships across continents. In the Indo-Pacific, B-1Bs fly joint exercises with Japan and South Korea, practicing long-range strikes, maritime missions, and seamless integration with allied air forces. In Europe, they integrate with NATO, flying over the Arctic and North Atlantic, demonstrating rapid reinforcement capability and the ability to operate in challenging environments. These missions are more than shows of force. They keep crews sharp, aircraft ready, and ensure that every member of the team is prepared for real-world contingencies. Agile combat employment from dispersed airfields makes the bomber force more resilient and unpredictable, complicating any adversary's planning. Each deployment hones the B-1B's flexibility and lethality, pushing the limits of what this strategic bomber can achieve. The Bone is a visible symbol of U.S. commitment, global reach, and the enduring strength of American air power. Its presence on the world stage is a message. America's air power is ready, anywhere, anytime, and always vigilant. The B-1B is sharpened for any contingency, a spearhead for Allied security, and a testament to the enduring partnership between the U.S. and its allies. The B-1B Lancer bridges past and future, a legacy platform, thoroughly modernized, While the B-21 Raider is the future, the Bone's role endures into the 2030s and beyond. Its unmatched speed, range, and payload complement the stealthy B-21. The B-21 will break open enemy defenses. The B-1B will deliver the sledgehammer blow. This synergy, stealth and mass, defines the future of long-range strike. As a hypersonic missile carrier, the Bone remains a critical asset for strategic edge. The B-1B isn't competing with the B-21, it's enabling it. The Bone's story is one of adaptation and resilience, evolving from nuclear penetrator to hypersonic arsenal ship. Its legacy is not its troubled past, but its continued crucial contribution to American air power. The Bone is back, more dangerous than ever, its roar echoing across the skies for years to come.